Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I came up with this festive green makeup look and I love it because it's so sparkly and absolutely perfect for the upcoming holiday time. So if you do want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my eyes like always, you know the drill guys, and I do have a hair clip in my hair because my hair was actually air drying. I was just out of the shower and it may look a little weird throughout the video, my apologies. So I'm starting off as my transition shade and I'm using the Too Faced Soulmates bronzer in Restaurant Angel, and then I'm packing on this green shade that I showed and basically on my lid, and then the darker shade that I showed next is I'm going to apply this onto the outer corner of my eye to make it a little more three-dimensional, and so that it doesn't look as flat. And then I'm just blending it out more towards the tail of my brow so it looks more blown out, and I'm not going to be using a eyeliner. That's kind of why. I am highlighting my brow bone, and then I am using an eye khol into my waterline. And I'm sorry, my apologies if my voice sounds weird or husky because I am currently sick. And then I am just lining my lash line just so that my false lashes blend into my natural lashes, if that makes sense. So for my lower lash line, I'm going back with the bronzer and I am defining it a little bit more, and I'm going over the waterline so that the eye khol stays in place much longer. And then I'm just going to apply some mascara to my top lashes and also to my lower lashes. And to be honest, you guys, you know my lashes are just a joke. They are just ridiculously tiny. There's no even point, to be honest. Then I'm just applying some lashes, and these are by Eylure, which look absolutely stunning with the look. They do have glitter in them, so I thought they were perfect for the upcoming festive time. So I'm using these two foundations and I'm using a big one pump of each, and yeah, they are actually very liquidy, which I kind of noticed. Can you see how liquidy that was? And I'm just applying this with the Real Techniques sculpting brush, I think it's called, and I'm just going to go ahead and speed this over because I mean you've seen me apply my foundation like hundreds of times, and I am just buffing this into my skin, as you can see, and that's pretty much it. So for concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm just applying this in upside down triangle just to bring some light to my face. And my camera did actually cut me off and it just didn't record me buffing out the concealer, and that's pretty much it. That's all I did. And I'm just going back into my bronzer, and I am trying to bronze my face up a little bit and applying this to my cheekbones to define my face a little further. And I am applying this to my forehead, at the temples of my forehead, my jaw, and I'm also applying the blush. Oh my goodness, this blush looks absolutely stunning, and I don't really wear blush. I think you guys are pretty sure you know that, but this blush makes me want to wear blush every single day. That's how much I love blush right now. And it's pretty much thanks to this little guy. I got this from ASOS and it's called Luxie Blush Brush, which applies blush absolutely gorgeous. Anyways, moving on to Bahama Mama bronzer by the Balm Cosmetics, and I love this bronzer because it applies it more cool tone, so it can be also used as a contour, and that's pretty much how I used it this time around. But I did use it in the same places that I've used my Too Faced bronzer. So next up is highlighter, and oh my goodness, I already had a little highlight going on. That was from sweat or foundation, I'm not entirely sure because I don't really sweat and my I don't know what that was going on. Anyway, so I'm applying it to my cupid's bow, my cheekbones, my nose. Yeah, and I really liked my nose highlight when using it with this brush. It looks so nice and so natural. Yeah, that's it. So next I'm using powder, and I love it. It is Rimmel Stay Matte and it looks really nice. Especially I actually didn't need to set my concealer because I don't think it actually creases on me, but it does keep it matte, which I felt like I needed with the foundation that I was using, which was the L'Oreal Lumi Magique, I think it's called. So I just contoured my nose, and last but not least I'm just lining my lips with MAC Stripdown, and it's a very beautiful brown lip liner. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use a gloss, and the gloss that I used was by Soap & Glory, and I think it's called Nudist, which is the perfect nude gloss, like the perfect gloss. And that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you some kind of inspiration. I personally loved how it turned out, and yeah, the glow was real. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!